Hey all, I'm going to walk you through how to create a successful PR campaign for yourself, for your clients, and make sure that it doesn't come off as cold when you're talking to your journalist. Okay, this is a step-by-step process that you can copy and do on your own. I charge thousands of dollars to do this for big clients, private equity, VC-backed, startups, people that are going to market all around the world, not just United States, but going to Latin America and Europe. And you can just do this on your own. Okay, so here's some of the clips of the things that we have been in just in the last 6 months. You can see by the title of this, by the time you're watching this video, this will definitely be 103 PR wins. So this is moving up every single time. And this is explaining how you get to this process. Before you get to it, you need to know that PR is more than just backlinks. With the tumultuous, you know what I'm saying. With the difficult world of SEO, the PR, it matters more than just backlinks. So you want to get the backlinks of PR media that you're interested in, whether it be new media or legacy media, but you want to make sure you repurpose it afterwards. So think about that. And you'll see this on our webinars. You'll see this on my LinkedIn banner. You'll see this on our website. If you go look at my website, you're going to see on our wall of love, everyone who likes working with us and our testimonials. But then even if you go to our homepage, watch, I'm going to do this refresh. You see a refresh, and then you want to use these PR logos coming across your page right here. So Business Insider, The Muse, Yahoo Finance, these are all press pieces that we have worked our butts off to get mentions on inside of their website. I'll walk you through what this looks like, all of these over here afterwards, but let's keep walking through the how-to, okay? So go through here, you're trying to get a backlink, and then you're gonna repurpose it. Here you can see what we did with Strategic Pete, where we jumped in our domain ranking and our backlinks just in the last year off of this strategy. Okay. Now the process is you want to get your brand in the right conversations. So you need to start to think about what is the conversation that's going on that your brand or your client needs to be a part of. If you're in the banking, you need to think, what are the 20 media outlets that you want to be on? What do you want to be talking about? Do you want to be talking about AI? Do you want to be talking about crypto? Do you want to be talking about HR? Do you want to be talking about local communities, right? So then you need to build out how you're going to turn these opportunities into success. Right? Here's all the press request tools that we're using. You want to make sure you're doing this on podcasting. Then you want to curate the lists. Okay. Well, then you need to think about how you're going to craft the pitch. And there's some real examples down here, right? Here's a screenshot, right? You can see no boring cold pitching. Make the job easier for a journalist, bro. I don't know who wrote bro on my LinkedIn post, but you'll see that we like to have fun around here. So journalists get bombarded. So you need to make sure that these are timely, that they're data-driven, and that they're authentic. If you just open this up, you just hit image, you're going to see that this is going to be blown up, and you can see how our messages go. And we come up with a new pitch every single week. We're offering exclusivity to our PR people for the first couple days, and then we move on. And that's how we're getting published in all of these across here. Okay, let me scroll down. You'll see a little bit here. Now you need to make sure that this is turned into pipeline, right? This is not just a marketing play. This is a revenue impact play. This is not a playbook to tell your friends that you were in HubSpot, mentioned in HubSpot. This is a play so that your prospects know that HubSpot trusts you, and this will make your sales cycle shorter. This will nurture people and help them trust you rather quickly. This is how we're using all of these PRs mentions. So we'll use a tool like oops, it's not showing up here, but it's called Q Promote. I'll show it to you right here. And then you get to push this out organically to people who would be interested in your topic. You can see this one right here where we got on Digital Marketing Institute. We had 431 people, which is our ideal customer profile, sharing this out. Right? A mention, this is my favorite quote, a media mention is only as valuable as you use it. Okay? So this is an example of how you do it. You don't just let it sit on somebody else's website. You need to bring it over to your homepage, to your LinkedIn, right? And now you turn this into part of your brand and people trusting you. Here's some frequently asked questions for you to go through. If you have any questions, I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can come ask me questions and I'll do a follow-up video. Let me walk you over how we are using this So these, as I mentioned, are many of the quotes that we've received. These are just for us at Strategic Pete. This is not for our clients. So this is a completely different database. And then we're using it across all of those medias. So if you have questions, feel free to reach out. If you need me to help you with your first pitch, or tell you how to put these tools together, or help you come up with a one-pager that then you can use an AI to make sure that you're landing your pitch with what the journalist needs, and you need to make their job easy. If you go look at my post for today, you'll see that I kind of walk you through exactly how this needs to make sure that you're in line with what their interests are. So the post here says, I wasted months chasing media attention. You need to think about what makes the journalist's life easier, makes them more money, or makes them look good. Sometimes that's a controversial opinion. Sometimes it's something where you add value, or you simplify a complex idea, or you bring fresh insights. Think about that as you walk through it. Come connect with me on LinkedIn. Pretty easy to find me. It's Peter Murphy Lewis, I think the only one. Come check out our website. If we can help you, let us know. And you can see right here. Look at my banner. Look at the PR quotes at the bottom. Thank you for watching this. Look forward to your feedback in the comments.